How to add text behind character in CapCut. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let me show you the first step of this tutorial. So basically you have to create this text effect behind a blank page. So simply create this text effect as you like. So once you have done this, you have to add that particular text as an overlay. Once you have added this text, click on your text and adjust its timing, and now you have to blend it and select the second option. Now once you are done, you have to make a copy of your clip and make it an overlay. Once you have added this, you have to simply adjust the timing and make sure to match the timing, and now you have to go for the chroma key and simply select the white or brightest area like this. And if I play it now, it will looks like this. So that's how basically you can add text behind character in CapCut.